The Made In Griddle was our first original heat source, a compact portable grill built the way we built everything, with performance in mind. But our first version is a starting point, not the finish line. We went back to the details and refined every one of them. The charcoal bed went from 3 levels to 2, because over live fire, simplicity is control. Lock it at either height, and load it with charcoal, hardwood, or briquettes. The grate pulls out completely for easy cleaning. You can slide it back and it retracts to make room for the Made In Griddle. So now you're cracking eggs over charcoal, smashing burgers, blistering vegetables, things that don't belong on the grill until they do. The ashtray drops into a drawer, and it stays put when you move. And the felt pad inside protects the carbon steel body. The handles are hollow steel, wrapped in removable silicone sleeves. Every unit is hand welded in Nebraska, USA, and available in 2 finishes, carbon steel and the limited edition stainless. This is what a second version should feel like. Performance grilling delivered anywhere you take it.